is way better than being at any work, let alone that work.
Yeah, I'm taping this.
Woohoo!
Hi.
I love my coffee.
Yeah,
Look at those clouds over there, dumbass.
I like it
Really
too.
cool. Where do you want this? Oh, it's on pretty tight, but there's an angle. Sorry.
Wow, this is.
Thanks, Leonard Skinner.
Woohoo!
We didn't bring two.
Wow, love it.
Ah,
How's Captain?
so this is like 3 lakes put together.
How Captain Bach doing?
I'm doing great.
All right.
Here, wait, let me get my sippy cup out.
How?
That's a much better picture.
Okay, better picture. Now we're talking. Oh, her little sippy
Coffee
cup.
in the morning, there's nothing like it. Still
I-
drinking my coffee.
How's life without CNE? Wow, improved
And I
already.
swear,
Yeah, wipe it
fucking fantastic.
Oh, I am happy to be with this girl.
Peace, love, and happiness.
Wow, that's nice.